Wanted a small, versatile industrial drone? Then don't miss the AGR T3 drone. Small size, big effect. Collapsible design, unfold can be used. "40 minutes long battery life. Maximum flight speed of 72 kilometers per hour. 15 kilometers ultra remote image transmission. 3-axis enhanced stability head brings a new experience, equipped with infrared and visible light cameras. Support thermal imaging and visible light dual imaging. Even complex light and shadow environments can be easily seen. Flexible deployment capability enables T3 to work in a variety of scenarios. Widely used in power, fire, law enforcement, search and rescue, photovoltaic, and other fields. The vehicle is equipped with 12 vision sensors. Build 3D maps and plan paths in real time. More than perception, it can also achieve all-round obstacle avoidance, easily traversing jungle, mountains, cities, and other complex areas. Escort for flight safety. Excellent performance, endless.